Have you ever wondered if you could take a peek into the future? Time travel, that fascinating concept that has enthralled humankind since the dawn of imagination. It's an idea that has sparked countless debates, fueled numerous scientific endeavors, and inspired a myriad of science fiction tales. Imagine, if you will, the allure of knowing the unknown, the thrill of seeing what lies beyond the present, the excitement of experiencing tomorrow today. This isn't just a child's fantasy or a scientist's hypothesis anymore. Enter the concept of future photos, a tantalizing twist to the time travel tale. Picture this, a snapshot from a time yet to come, a glimpse into the future, captured and contained within the borders of a simple photograph. Sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi novel, right? Now imagine holding a photo from the future in your hands. What would you do? To comprehend the phenomenon of temporal travel, we must journey back to its roots. Interestingly, the concept of time travel isn't a newfangled idea birthed from the mind of a modern-day science fiction author. Instead, it has been a part of human imagination and literature for centuries, beginning as a mere fantasy in ancient and medieval times. In the epic Hindu text, the Mahabharata, there are accounts of King Kakudmi who travels to heaven to meet the creator, Brahma, and upon returning discovers that many ages have passed on earth. In the Japanese fairy tale of Urashima Taro, a fisherman visits an undersea palace and returns after what he believes to be 3 days, only to find himself 300 years in the future. Clearly, the allure of time travel has long captivated the human mind, but it was not until the 20th century that our understanding of time travel took a scientific turn. Enter Albert Einstein, the man whose theory of relativity revolutionized our perception of time. According to Einstein, time is not a constant linear flow, but something that can be affected by speed and gravity. His groundbreaking theory suggested that if we could travel at the speed of light or manipulate gravity, we could theoretically bend time. This was a revelation. It was the first time that time travel was not just a product of myths and legends, but a concept backed by scientific theory. Einstein's ideas sparked a flurry of scientific exploration, leading to further theories and hypotheses about the possibility of time travel. From the ancient tales of time-hopping heroes to the complex equations of Einstein, the notion of temporal travel has evolved dramatically. What was once a fantastical dream is now a scientific query, a puzzle that scientists around the globe are striving to solve. Thus began mankind's scientific pursuit of time travel. But how could a mere photo transport us into the future, you might ask? Well, the answer lies within the complex world of quantum physics and the concept of wormholes. To understand how future photos could potentially work, we first need a basic understanding of quantum mechanics, the branch of physics that deals with the smallest particles in the universe. Quantum mechanics suggests that particles can exist in multiple places at once. This is known as superposition. Now imagine if we could apply this principle to larger objects. Like a photograph, theoretically, a photo could exist in multiple times at once, both the present and the future. But how do we get a photograph from the future to the present? Here's where the concept of wormholes comes in. Wormholes are hypothetical features of the universe that connect two different points in space-time. They're like shortcuts through the universe, allowing for faster-than-light travel. Some theories suggest that wormholes could also connect different times. If we could somehow capture an image from the future and send it back through a wormhole, we would have what we call a future photo. However, there's a catch. The science of wormholes and superposition is still very much theoretical. While quantum mechanics has been proven on a small scale, we've yet to see it applied to larger objects. And wormholes, while a popular subject in science fiction, have yet to be observed in the real world. But let's not let reality dampen our imaginations. The fun of science lies in exploring the unknown, in pushing the boundaries of what we think is possible, and who knows? Maybe one day we'll be able to snap a selfie with our future selves. In the realm of quantum physics, future photos could indeed be more than just a figment of imagination. So, are these future photos reliable glimpses into the future? It's an intriguing question, isn't it? As we delve into the heart of this debate, we must remember that the authenticity of these future photos is shrouded in a cloud of controversy and speculation, a nebulous terrain of unknowns that we have to navigate cautiously. On one hand, there are those who staunchly believe in the validity of these futuristic snapshots. They argue that these images are tangible proof of the leaps and bounds in our temporal exploration capabilities. They point to the intricate details, the uncanny accuracy of events that hadn't occurred at the time the photos were taken as irrefutable evidence. To them, these photos are a beacon of hope, a testament to human ingenuity and the limitless possibilities of science. On the flip side, there are skeptics who question the credibility of these images. They argue that the future is a fluid, ever-changing landscape, shaped by the choices we make in the present. How then can a photo capture a future that is yet to be written? For them, these photos raise more questions than answers, veering into the realm of science fiction rather than science fact. But the debate extends beyond the realm of authenticity. The existence of future photos brings with it a host of ethical dilemmas. If we can see the future, should we intervene to change it? And if we do, what would be the consequences? Would we be playing God, meddling with the natural order of things? Or would we be fulfilling our moral obligation to prevent disasters and save lives? These are questions that we have to grapple with as we tread this uncharted territory. The implications are vast, the ethical quandaries complex, and the potential repercussions profound. The veracity of future photos remains a contentious topic, shrouded in mystery and intrigue. As we continue to unravel this enigma, the line between fact and fiction becomes increasingly blurred. The future, it seems, is as elusive as ever. Where does the quest for temporal travel stand in the 21st century? In a world where technology is evolving at an exponential pace, the concept of time travel, once a mere figment of science fiction, is slowly but surely inching its way into the realm of possibility. It's a fascinating journey, one where the boundaries of reality and fiction are blurred, pushing us to question our understanding of time itself. Right now, scientists across the globe are tirelessly working on unlocking the mysteries of temporal travel. Quantum physics, a field that has consistently challenged our perception of reality, is at the forefront of this effort. Theories such as quantum entanglement and superposition hint at the existence of multiple timelines and dimensions, potentially paving the way for time travel. In the meantime, advancements in technology are aiding us in our quest to conquer time. Supercomputers, capable of performing quadrillions of calculations per second, are being used to simulate the behavior of quantum particles. This could potentially help us understand the mechanics of time and how it can be manipulated. The Large Hadron Collider, the world's largest and most powerful particle accelerator, is another key player in this quest. By colliding particles at near light speed, scientists hope to gain insights into the nature of time and space, which could be crucial in our understanding of temporal travel. Breakthroughs in the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning are also playing a pivotal role. These technologies are being used to analyze and interpret the vast amounts of data being generated by these experiments, potentially uncovering patterns and insights that would otherwise go unnoticed. Despite these advancements, time travel remains an elusive dream. The complexity of the task at hand is immense, and there are still many questions left unanswered. For instance, how do we avoid the paradoxes associated with time travel? And even if we do manage to travel through time, how do we ensure we don't disrupt the fabric of space-time? Yet the human spirit is tenacious. We have always been explorers, pushing the boundaries of what's known and venturing into the unknown. The journey towards temporal travel is no different. It's a journey filled with challenges, but also with hope and excitement. The future of temporal travel seems as uncertain as the future itself. So, what have we learned about the Chronicles of Temporal Travel? We've embarked on a journey starting from the genesis of temporal travel, exploring the fascinating concept that has intrigued mankind for centuries. We've delved into the scientific underpinnings of future photos, a concept that has revolutionized our understanding of time and space. We've navigated the fine line between fact and fiction, shedding light on the ongoing debates that swirl around this mind-bending theory. We've speculated on what the future holds for temporal travel, contemplating its potential implications and the tantalizing possibilities it offers. Through it all, we've discovered that time travel is not just a flight of fancy, but a complex puzzle that continues to challenge our perceptions and push the boundaries of what we believe is possible. As we continue to unravel the enigma of the future photo, one thing is certain: the Chronicles of Temporal Travel will forever captivate our collective imagination.